At Miele, we want your refrigeration delivery and installation to go as smoothly as possible. Here's everything you'll need to know to be prepared. To help assist us, please clear the space in advance so that we can easily remove your old appliance without obstructions such as kickboards, cabinetry, or raised floors.
We recommend avoiding the use of power boards or extension leads. If your appliance is being placed into cabinetry, an alcove or cavity, please ensure the dimensions are suitable, as well as leaving enough room for ventilation.
Please note, our technicians will deliver and set up your appliance with the utmost care. However, specialised electrical or plumbing work may need to be done by a qualified professional.
You'll also receive timely SMS updates about your delivery, so you know exactly when to expect us.